Okay, so let's do a quick rehash of the tables. How to create your own table. Well, up to standard 3, you all know the tables up to 10. That's easy part, right? Apart from that, we learned a different trick of doing tables, right? Which is distributive method that is very easy. Say for example, I'm doing 7 into 6. Okay? Now, for 7, I don't want to table. I want to do 5 plus 2 into 6. Okay? Right? Please pay attention. So, what is going to happen? We know that when it's multiplication, the 6 can multiply to 5 and it can multiply to 2. Okay? So, how does it work? How does it work? That 5 into 6 plus 2 into 6. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 6 are. Answer is going to be easy part, right? This is very easy. Okay? We all know this directly. 7 6 is 42. We know the tables up to 12. So that is easy part, right? But what if you don't know the table of bigger numbers? Okay? What if you don't know the table of big numbers? Say for example, you have to multiply 46 into 4. Okay? Please pay attention. 46 into 4. How do we do that? Very simple. 40 plus 6 into. Now this 4 can multiply with, it will multiply with both numbers. Here and okay. So what we have 40 into 4 plus 6 into 4. Okay? Yes? Understood? Right? So what happens is 44s are. Do you know the table of 4? Obviously, yes. 4 4s are 16. And then you have to put 0. 4 4s are 16 and 0 9. Plus 6 4s are yes. 24. Just add them. Very simple. Very simple example. Yes? Understood? Yes? Come on, let me see who has understood this one. Rahi, did you understand? Very good. You already showed thumbs up. Wonderful. Jeet, what about you? I don't see your thumb. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Pant, did you get it? Pant, समझ में आया? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, let's do one more time a different example. Okay, all we have to do is break it up and we can do it all types of example. Netra, did you get this? Yes or no? Very nice. Tables, right? See, I'm going to do a different example now, which is, let's see, 18 into 8. Now, if you don't know the table of 18, what do we do? What we will do is either we can multiply it regularly or this is very simple. 10 plus 8 into 8. You know 18 is 10 plus 8. Tanmay, no, you don't have to write this. If you want to, you can, but don't need to. Okay? Now, multiplication by both numbers. Okay? It becomes 10 into 8 plus 8 into 8. Okay, but stop writing. us here. Pay attention here. Right now, don't write anything. Okay. What you have to do is understand. This 18 here written as 10 plus 8 multiplication by 8. Now multiplication has distribution properties. So if you multiply with both of the numbers. Okay. 10 exam, we know the number table this one. 10 exam is 80 and 8 exam is we go add them. Simple. Okay. Yes, now you understand? Show me your thumb. I can hear you. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, good. I believe that everyone has got it now, how to do the tables. Yes? Netra, clear? Very good. Hardy and Harvey, where are you? Hardy and Harvey, I don't see you. Yes, Hardy and Harvey. Did you understand? Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. Now, hello, man. I'm sure you know this. You already know this. Okay. Now, let's do some more example. Okay. You can see it on the screen. Yes. Do you see on the screen? Stop scribbling. Stop writing anything on this one. So this one you can do on your own. Yes. Can you do it on your own? Very easy. Writing the table of, right? This is very easy part. Okay. So what you can do is make your tables like this again and again. Right? So many tables you can make. Yes. Now here is the question: how many cats in this picture? How many legs do you see? We know a cat has how many legs? 4 legs. Yes. So 4 legs is 1. 8 legs means 2 cats. So 12 legs means how many? How many will it be? Yes, very good. Very good. It will be, yes, correct answer. So you can go on for, this is just table only. The next will be 16. Then, right, you can do it like this. So 28 legs means how many cats? This is where you have to write. This is where you have to write. Okay. Because I'm writing on this one, it's a bit difficult, but you can do this. Okay. Sorry. Now, now going on to next one. Below has kept. Who is doing this? Please stop. Now, Billo has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? A chicken has how many legs? 2 legs. So you have to divide 28 by 2. The answer will be 14. That division you have to do. Okay? Yes? Yes? Okay, very good. Now, next is jumping animals, right? Okay, next is this one. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? Standard 3 blue. All the students who were with me last year. You remember we had done fun with numbers chapter and we had done similar exercise. Jumping in the number of 3. So you have to solve this. So he has taken 27 divided by 3. How many jumps? Answer will be very easy. 9. Very good. Very good. So many correct answers we have got. Yes, very good. Rachna, that is Devans. Very good. Very good. Now, please bear with me for a second. I'm going to clean this up. Yes, thank you very much. All right. Now, he has taken dash jumps. If he is at 36, come on. This is also a table. Come on. Yes, very good. Very good, Jia. Very good, Devansh. Who is class teacher of 4th blue? That's me, Dhara. You know that. Okay. Now, let's go on to the next one. Starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. In how many jumps does he reach 25? Come on, fill it up. Very good. Nishta Koisha. Very good. How many jumps does he reach 25? 5 jumps. It will take 5 jumps here. Okay. He reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. If he takes 8 jumps, this is all about tables and division. Very good, Krishna. So next question, he reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. In one jump, 5. So in 8 jumps, how many ones? Nishta, not 4. Type it properly. Correct answer is 14. 14? No, Navya, it is 4014. Okay? He reaches 40 after taking 8 jumps. And he needs dash jumps to reach 55. Sia, that is wrong answer. Come on, Parth. This is all tables, beta. Do it fast. How many times one needs to jump 5 to get to 55? Very good, Ananya. 11 jumps. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now let's clean it up. We are going to the next page. These examples, practice time. That is, this is your homework. Okay? Then this you can do by mental math only. You don't even have to take a single step. Okay? Yes? Please note it down in your notebook, in your textbook. You have to do this. Okay? Now going to the next one. She sells. Again, this is, you know, the second name of division. Another name for division is Dhruv Tiwari. Please stop typing unnecessary messages, beta. Now, next is the division. It has a second name which is repeated subtraction, which is called repeated subtraction. Okay, you know this, right? Repeated subtraction. This is something which you have done in grade 3 also. How many of you remember that we did repeated subtraction examples? Yes, show me your hands. How many of you remember? Show me your hands. Yes, we did so many of repeated subtraction examples. Yes, very good, very good. So that is easy part. Okay. Yes, very good, Dishta. Very good. So what happens is, next is, so in this example you have to do repeated subtraction. Okay, question is, from 128 minus 28, that is going to be 84. Again he took 28 more shells from 84, so 84 minus 84 minus 28, you have to provide the answer, which is, what will be the answer here? Yes, correct answer. Very good, Nidhi. Very good. So what? Then he took shells for the third necklace. So again, for the third time, we have to do the same. What will happen after that? 56 minus 28. What will be the answer here? 28. How many necklaces can Dhruv make from 112 shells? Okay. Yes, Paril, you have to say something. Please speak up. Yes, I'm listening. Paril, I'm listening.
How many necklaces can 28 necklace?
Yes, very good. No, 28 is the number of shells. Ayush, you want to speak something, beta? Speak up now. You can speak now. Okay. He's not responding. It's fine. No problems. Right. Okay. So the question is, from 112 shells, how many can he make? So either you can do it by reducing 28 again and again, or you can directly divide 128 by 4, which is correct answer, Ananya, 4. The correct answer is 4. Are the shells enough for making necklaces for all his friends? Yes or no? You have to read it from the questions. Okay? All right. Now, try this. Kanu made a necklace of Kanu made a necklace of 17 she shells. How many such necklaces can be made from the by using 100 she shells? Yes, very good. Very good, Ananya. Vedant, 56 is incorrect answer. From 100 she shells. Okay. Now, how to solve this? This example, this one, you have to solve in your notebook. Okay. Now you pay attention on the screen. Okay. Now you pay the attention on the screen that out of 100 shells, now how to solve the story, sir? Number of shells is equal to 100. For one necklace, right? Where is it? For one necklace, shells needed equal to 17. So number of necklace is equal to 100 divided by 70. You do the division. 100 divided by 70. Now, do you know the table of 70? If you know, you can do it very easily. If you don't know, then you can make your own table. 70 ones are 70. 70 twos are 34. 70 threes are 71, 74 are 8, 75 are 55, 76 are 102. So do we have 102? No. We have only 100. 75 are 85. Okay? Yes? So, alright. So question is, how many such necklaces can be made? 5. We can add the question. We can add the question as, we can bring the question to a little bit, make it little bit tough. That how many shells will remain with, how many shells will remain with Kanu? How many shells will be left with Kanu? Or to make one more shell, how many shells does Kanu need? ये भी तो question हो सकता है. Yes? To make one more shell, how many does he need? For one shell it is 70. How many is left with? 15. So how many does it need? 2 more. Okay? Yes? Everyone understood? Yes? Very good. Question number B and C is going to be your homework. Okay? Question number B and C is going to be your homework. Alright? I'll send a message. Question number B and C on page number 126 is homework. Okay? So is questions on page number 127. Time is over, Dhara, I know. Yes. So is practice time on question page number 127 also. Practice time on page number 127 is homework. All right? Yes? Then you have some more examples to do. And last one, on page number 130, 130. Page number 130. Here you have to make your own story. Story sum. Okay? You have to create your story sum. You remember last year we had done this type of practice? Yes? Class 3 blue remembers because we had done lots of practice. Yes? Now class 3 green, I don't know if you remember the practice. Who is from class 3 here? Class 3 green? Jinay. Jinay, did you do such practice of creating your own story? Your own story sum? Yes or no? Yes? No? Khushi has done it. Very good. Khushi Paril remembers it. Very good. Of course, Dhara, you know because you were in my class. Hardi and Harvi, you already know? That's wonderful. That is wonderful. Yes, very good. Very good. That's awesome. Now, who else knows from 3 green? I don't see the videos. What happened here? Come on. Okay. So you can create your own story sums. You can create your own story sums and send it to me later on. Okay? Bye-bye.